Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an image move in CapCut mobile. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and here I have imported my image to this CapCut project. And for example, we're going to make this image move. So if we want to add movement to this image, we can add the keyframe button. First of all, we can tap on the image like this, and this is the keyframe button. And for the first position, I'm going to place the image right here and tap on this keyframe button. And for the second position, I'm going to drag it right here. Okay, you don't need to tap on the keyframe button because the CapCut will automatically add the keyframe button to your image like this. Okay, and for the end position, I'm going to drag it down. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the result. I'm going to play the video. Okay, as you can see, now the image is moving. And I guess that's how we can make an image move in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.